Hi everyone, I'm Dexter, and today I'll be talking about different types of backups that developers use. These backups help us to protect our files, code, and project in case of something goes wrong. Backup types developers. So let's start with full backup. A complete copy of all data used. Occasional baseline backups, like Monday. You backup the entire project folders, all files, codes, image, configs, database, and result one big backup that contains everything. Copies only what changed since the last backup. Use frequent backups, incremental backups. Example, Monday full backup of the project. Tuesday incremental only backups files change since Monday. Differential backup copies what changed since the last full backup. Use easier restores than incremental. Monday full backup of the project. Then Tuesday differential backups files changed since Monday. And other day Wednesday differential backups files changed since Monday. Conclusion: a full backup saves everything you have, and incremental backup saves only what changed since your last backup, and a differential backup saves everything that changed since your last full backup. Full backups are the most complete. Incremental backups are the quickest, and differential backups sits nicely in the middle, giving you a good mix of speed and safety. And that is my report. Thank you for watching.